So here's the finished product. It's a whole glucometer bag. I did have it as a first aid kit, but decided this would work well. I got everything in packages. There's the glue. I took the stick down to fit in there better. And then I added some fingernail clippers, the silicone glue. Over here I have the duct tape and a denim pouch, and I just put the threader in there. For right now I just wound up the fishing line and twine and put it in there. And over on the other side here, I couldn't get into here, I added some wire. And the Velcro here. And I taped up one of the sail needles, the small curved one. I like that one the best. Bag of tricks. Got one of the threads. And there's the other one. We have safety pins. And I ended up putting the needles in straws like that. Seal beans. There's the toggle. And then assorted buttons. That's pretty much it.